Hello guys, and this is how to create and how to sign in Minecraft. Press this, create an email, or use this. I will use this email address, and you can actually pass. Ay. And current password. Just copy this mob. And select your birthday and like that, and start puzzle. Sorry for the noises. Like that, and wait. And tala, this is how to find me. Select your name. Let's go. And you can access the servers. Let's see. Just wait a few moments. What? It didn't work. Let's try again. This is random, don't use your real one. And if you use the real one, it's going to be you're going to scam. Just like that, your password, and like that, create your last name. Philippines, May, June 4 in 2000. That start puzzle. Wait, start puzzle. Last. Sorry, I have fever. Verification. That was. And create ani.
Nga pala, alam niyo bang tungkol sa bagay na yan? Ano yan? Si Kaso ka ba? Di ko minento ng detalyado, pero parang alam naman yun.
Like that. Let's go see. And you'll sign in. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, Minecraft was bugging. Oh, there was so many notifications. And let's see if I sign in. Oh, I sign in. Let me change my character. Let's change my skin. Let's change into a villager. Just that, then to the app name Minecraft and Man. That was you can like that. Yes, like that. Don't worry about that. You can access the servers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.